So force, as you guys probably remember, is defined as either a push or a pull. The unit of measurement for force is the Newton, and we measure it using something called a spring scale, which is what you see in this picture here. When we have multiple forces acting on an object, we can either consider them to be balanced or unbalanced. We will have a balanced system when we have equal forces acting in opposite directions, which result in a net force of 0. And that's what we're seeing here in this example with this box, right? We have equal forces of 5 newtons on both sides, both pulling in opposite directions, and that results with a net force of 0 when we work out the calculation. Same thing with this guy down here too. We wind up, these are 3 pushes, but when we wind up doing the math and the calculations, we do find that the net force in this case is also 0 newtons, which means this is another balanced system. Unbalanced forces occur when we have unequal forces resulting in a non-zero net force. That means a net force that is not 0. So if we look at this one over here in the top left, we see that we have 2 forces acting on this box, both pushes. This results in a net force of 45 newtons going towards the left, and this would also result in the movement of the box. Same thing, similar scenario here, right, where we have multiple forces acting on the box. When we work out the calculations, 50 plus 30 minus 20, because the 20 is going in the opposite direction, we have a net force of 60 newtons going to the right, and that's the direction in which the box will move.